What if I told you that you could build a massive savings fund, starting with just one single dollar? No side hustles, no risky crypto trading, and absolutely zero financial stress. Most people fail to save money because they think they need thousands of dollars to start investing. But today, I'm breaking down a secret compounding formula that banks don't want you to focus on. If you want to trick your brain into building wealth this year, watch this until the very end. Welcome to the 53-week Compounding Savings Challenge. The rules are incredibly simple, but the results are mind-blowing. In week 1, you save just $1. That's it. Less than the price of a coffee. In week 2, you add an extra dollar and save $2. In week 3, it's $3. Every single week, you just increase your savings amount by $1. By the time you reach the final weeks of the year, you'll be putting away around $50 a week. Now, it might sound like pocket change right now, but here is the magic of consistency. By week 53, you will have accumulated over $1,431 in pure savings. It's the ultimate psychological hack to build a consistent savings habit without even feeling the pinch. But wait, don't just leave this cash sitting under your mattress or in a traditional checking account making 0.01% interest. That's a trap. To truly unlock wealth wisdom, you need to put this money to work. Automate this challenge by moving your weekly cash into a high-yield savings account or a fractional investing app where you can automatically buy index funds or digital gold assets. By doing this, your money isn't just sitting there. It's compounding and earning interest every single day. You are literally making money while you sleep. Building wealth isn't about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep and grow. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start with that $1 today. If you're ready to take the 53-week challenge, drop an I am in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Wealth Wisdom AI for more smart money secrets. See you in the next video.